Now, it's not like me to walk around with a small package, but today I'm going to make an exception. Say hello to my little friend. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby Guys. How you all doing? Sorry it's been so long since our last video. We've been really busy here in Dubai since the beginning of December, and we'll be going right up to the end of January. So we've not had any time to create any videos, but we have a little bit of time during the day, so we're planning to go into the desert, look at some sand dunes, find some areas to get some nice footage, get some shots, and we didn't bring any drones with us for our personal use. So I managed to pick up a Mini 2. They're quite cheap here actually, and I don't really need this, but because it's so, just because it's so cheap and so good that I can get the raw imaging, I thought I would get one anyway, and nice to at least get something nice when we're here. I'll have to unbox this and get it updated. I know that there's a couple of issues with a couple of the Mini 2 units, meaning that the firmware is not quite right. So you have to get a special update from DJI. So let's see if this handles, or if I have to get some update from DJI. Let's see. Anyway, here we go. Are we going in this car? Yeah. That's our. Let's go and get some bites.
Oh, so the brake is only here. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You want me to come here?
Okay. So we're heading to Qudra Lakes, and then Qudra Road. It's a bike path. It's about 40 kilometers, 46 kilometers. So, and then we'll try our drones up there as well. So let's see how we go.
It's not PV lost, it's PV lost.
Can you bring it in? Can you fly it through here?
That's
Slowly.
exactly what I'm going to do. Just wait.
You are going in wrong direction, by the way.
Oh, I'm gonna take some speed first. Pick up some speed first.
Right, Ollie, go for your
Sport
Barbie.
mode on.
I'm gonna do.
Go for your Mini 2. Oi. Yeah!
One
Okay,
more.
Again.
Eyes closed.
Ollie!
You can speed up then the video. Sport mode on.
I'm gonna do.
Go for your Mini 2. Oi. Yeah! So, to sum up, not a bad little drone at all. This is not bad. I found myself having a lot of fun with it. I was running out of battery every time I was flying because I was just really enjoying getting all the footage and it being so nippy. The USB-C charging is fantastic. It's such a welcome feature, it really is. I love just putting it in the bag and then just putting it on the power bank and just charging on the way. That is just incredible. Really good value. I was quite happy with the footage just right out the bag there. That was great. I hope you liked it as well. A great place to visit, this place Al Qudra, really great. And if you ever come out to Dubai, you have to go there. It's just absolutely beautiful place to visit, and this environment is just stunning. It really is. So thank you to Ed and Ollie and also Tero. We had a really great day. We've been working so hard out here, and it was really good to just have one day where we could go out and keep the social distancing and really enjoy ourselves, because we have had no time to do anything apart from work. So really good, and I think everyone just welcomed it. Some of us had saddle sore for a few days, but absolutely worth it. It really was. So anyway, thank you very much. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. There's some Flyby Guys merchandise in the description below, and we'll see you next time. Fly safe.